can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello, everyone. My name is Red Spiegelman, your Miss International Philippines, representing Pampanga.
Ayan, malago ka, Pampanga.
Yes, and yes.
I'm so happy to see you here at Mr. Pampanga 2026. We were in the flesh finally. So, how does it feel na ikaw ang tinanghal na representative ng probinsya mo for Miss International Queen Philippines All Stars?
Yes, and first of all, thank you so much, and it's a pleasure to meet you, Miss. Um, Way back 2023, I was crowned as your Miss Queen of Pampanga 2023, and after that year, I also joined Miss International in Philippines 2024, and I ended up as a semifinalist. And after 2 years, I am back here on the same stage, Miss International in Philippines 2026. So I came back wiser, I believe, and also stronger than before.
Yes, I remember you kasi that time was regionals yung
I
mga,
know.
you're one of the regional queens. So bago ka nakapag MIQPH na national pageant, may
Yes,
regional
yes.
pageant pa kayo. So, um, paano mo i-compare yung experience mo from 2024 to this 2026 edition?
Comparing the 2024 experience, it was definitely a big jump. 2024, it was a new experience for me since it was my first time joining a national pageant, regional than nationals. But this time, I think it's much more on the pressure part because I'm coming back with the Sash of Pampanga once again, and I am partly pressured to do my best and claim that crown for the second time around. So right now, when it comes to experiences, it is still the same, very beautiful. The journey is smooth, but you know, carrying the pride of Pampanga is definitely a big pressure to carry.
Of course. So
I
speaking
know.
of pressure and Pampanga,
I
Pampanga is a
know.
powerhouse province. So grabe, ang dami yung na-produce na queens
I
and
know.
pati kings. So, aside sa pressure, ano pang nararamdaman mo with that weight on your sash?
Aside from the pressure, I always try to make it a point to use that pressure to inspire other trans queens. Sabi nga nila, ang daming magaganda sa Pampanga, especially sa mga trans. And I want them to try next time in joining national pageants. I don't want them to just stay in barangayan or in some small stages
Mm-mm.
because they deserve to be seen on a national level as well. So this time, I am doing my best to carry them with me and at the same time to inspire them na kaya natin at talagang kailangan din tayong makita on a national stage.
Ayan. So, anong tubig pa dito sa Pampanga? At ganda nyo.
Hala, sa tingin ko, nasa pag-aalaga ng mga Kapampangan talaga when it comes to family, friends, and partners. And I think nagre-reflect talaga yon inside and out.
Feeling ko sisig yung secret.
Totoo, isa din talaga yon.
Baka naman. Anyway, not All Stars edition ang MIQPH this
Yes.
year. And siguro, what's one lesson yung nakuha mo from your previous experience na dinala mo dito sa MIQPH 2026?
Well, I'm always about sisterhood. I'm always about sharing stories and sharing moments with my sisters kasi yun ang pinaka-importante. If you will ask me what's my favorite part when it comes to pageantry, it's always the backstage, yung mga masayang nangyayari. And dun talaga ako nagpo-focus. Because naniniwala ko that pageantry is bola talaga yan. Every night. Lalo na if you are someone na talaga nagjo-join ng barangayan, malalaman at malalaman mo na gabi-gabi talaga ang pageant. So, we all have the same dream at kung kanino man mabibigay, let's be happy kung sino ang mananalo. But for me, it's always about enjoying those small journeys behind the scenes talaga ng stage.
Ayan. And what's your message to all of your supporters?
Of course, I just want to say thank you for supporting me. I know how hard it is to support candidates, not only financially, but also through your time and effort. So talagang dun pa lang masayang-masaya na ako. And I am deeply grateful sa lahat ng nagbabahagi ng mga words, ng mga reactions, sa mga shares, and also sa voting. So thank you so much.
And can you also greet your Kapampahangan people na very proud sa'yo for being their sole
Of
representative?
course, starting from the people here in Pampanga, maraming salamat, dakala salamat po kay kayong suporta. Manibat king ibat po na mag-start ko may pageant up until now, king nationals ulit. Dakal pong salamat at kan paman naguyod yung ako up until now.
All right, thank you, Red, and
Thank you
good
so
luck on your
much.
Miss International Queen Philippines All Stars 2026
Thank you so much.
journey.
Maraming salamat. Keep supporting po.